Peak Optics beam wiper blades are a premium addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with pinch tab and pinch tab button wiper arms. First, lift up the back of the pre-attached adapter, pull it out, and discard it. Next, find the adapter labeled M. Install the M adapter by aligning the arrow on the adapter at an angle with the arrow on the base of the wiper blade. Snap the adapter down in the back until you hear a click to engage the base. Now, find the adapter labeled A. Attach the A adapter onto the M adapter. Again, a click will indicate that it's properly in place. With the wiper arm in the upright position, insert the tip of the wiper arm into the front of the adapter. Then, rotate the blade into the wiper arm until the tabs in the back of the adapter lock into the wiper arm with, you guessed it, a click. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a protective cover over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Optics wiper blades.